You can evacuate cutting chips rightly during drilling application using center through coolant. Deep hole machining using a long drill. Drilling by the wall, which is common application of the flange area of the workpiece. The shrink fit holder, slimline is ideal for a through spindle coolant drill. Through spindle coolant capability using a machining center is required for a through spindle coolant drill. The tool holder has to provide a coolant from the spindle to the tip of drill without any leakage. The tip of the slimline doesn't have any parts such as a tightening nut to grab a cutting tool or ring to prevent coolant leakage. Its simple clamping mechanism doesn't create any gap and no coolant leakage. Many parts are required when using the collet holder. It requires great care for preparation and maintenance. In addition, it has large parts such as a tightening nut. Cutting chips hit a tip of the holder easily and they get stuck in grooves of the collet. In case of using the slimline, its slim design doesn't prevent chip evacuation. When machining near the wall of the workpiece, you can minimize the tool projection. In the result, it allows high efficient machining without chattering. You can't evacuate cutting chips using flood coolant in this application. However, through spindle coolant capability works perfectly. It prevents tool breakage due to stuck cutting chips. Most suitable for a through coolant drill. Please consider using the slimline to improve machining efficiency and tool life.